In our previous lesson, we were introduced to design, and we understood what design is. We said design is a plan of an artwork, and we came to understand why and how design helps an artist. In our lesson today, we are going to look at relevant designs in nature and their influence on man-made designs. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to identify some relevant designs in nature and their influence on man-made designs. On this illustration, we can identify a natural design and a man-made design. The natural design is an ant hill, and the man-made design is a story building. The ant hill has an influence on the story building, which means the person was inspired by the ant hill to create or set a plan for the story building. So it has an influence. We say that the ant hill has an influence on the story building. On this same next illustration, we can see a bird and a train. The bird, which is called the kingfisher, and a train. A very wonderful train in China. Now, the designers of this train had an inspiration from the beak of this bird. So we say that the bird, kingfisher, has an influence on the train. The bird, kingfisher, has an influence on the train. So the designer saw the beak of this bird and generated his idea, or was inspired with that, to create a train. This brings us to the end of our lesson. We got to know relevant natural designs and their influence on man-made design. In our next lesson, we are going to talk about how to create design using an inspiration from natural designs. See you in our next lesson.